A lot of business owners quietly believe their website is a waste of money. And honestly, if nobody is visiting it, engaging with it, or converting through it, I understand why they feel that way. But here is the real question. Is the website actually failing, or are you simply not tracking what is happening? Welcome back to Pocket Office Radio. This is episode 2, and today we're talking to founders, operators, and growing teams who are even mildly concerned about their growth, their visibility, or whether their marketing is actually performing the way they think it is. One of the biggest mistakes businesses make is assuming that a website it either works or it doesn't work based entirely on feelings. A website is not magic, it's just infrastructure, and infrastructure without visibility is almost impossible to evaluate properly. A lot of organizations launch a website and then immediately jump to conclusions. Nobody filled out the form. Nobody contacted us. The website must not be working. But the first question should actually be much simpler. How many people are even reaching the website in the first place? That's what you should be asking. Because if no one is arriving, then you're not solving a conversion problem yet. You're still solving a visibility problem. And that changes the entire conversation. The truth is, most businesses are operating emotionally when they should be operating analytically. They're redesigning pages before understanding traffic. They're trying to rewrite the copy before actually understanding how people are engaging with their content. This is why analytics matter so much. So you're going to want to install tools like Google Analytics. You're going to want to beef up that data with Google Tag Manager, and even look into using tools like Plausible or Umami. They're not just marketing tools. These are visibility tools, and they help leadership teams understand what is actually happening instead of relying on assumptions. You'll find out things like how many people are visiting the page, where they're coming from, what pages are they leaving on, what links are they clicking, how long are they staying. That information is incredibly important because it turns vague frustration into solvable business problems. And guess what? Here's the encouraging part. If you can measure something, you can improve it. If the traffic, for example, is low, now you know you need more visibility. If people visit but never engage, maybe the messaging needs work. If people engage but never convert, maybe the offer or process needs refinement. But without analytics, all of that becomes guessing. A website is not a waste of money when it is treated like a living system, ultimately, is the point we're trying to make. It becomes a problem only when businesses stop paying attention to how people are engaging with that website. So growth-focused companies get this. They understand this deeply. They're not just trying to build websites. Their goal is to study behavior around their products and services. They're analyzing pathways, they're trying to improve systems, and then they're optimizing for visibility because they're treating traffic like information instead of vanity metrics. And honestly, that mindset shift alone changes everything. Because the moment you stop asking, again, do I like the website, and start asking, what is actually happening on this website? Your business starts operating with more clarity instead of emotion. And clarity is where growth begins.